Hello, good evening. I am Shubho Sarkar, freelance artist from Bahrain. Being an artist, my associations with Russian Indian Cultural Exchange, that is RISE, in Calcutta, has been since the beginning of 2019 and have only progressed further. I would like to take this opportunity to wholeheartedly congratulate yourself and your entire staff member of Gorky Southern of Calcutta on the occasion of the National Day of Russia through you to the government of Russia, Russian people on their tested solidarity friendship with the people of India for all seasons of life. Relations between India and Russia are rooted in history, mutual trust and beneficial cooperations. A small and elastic instance is that of the great Nobel laureate, poet, writer, educationist, humanist, Rabindranath Tagore, who himself has visited Soviet Union several times in his lifetime. He loved the country deeply and found affection in return. His poems, Gitanjali, translated and republished on the numerous occasions and actively promoted by Russian symbolists, such as symbol example of thriving examples of Indo-Russia relationship over the last 70 years. This is a strategic partnership that has withstood the test of time and which enjoys the supports of the people of both the countries. Diplomatic relations between India and Russia began even before achieved Indian independence. Not only do India and Russia have strong cultural ties, which are an important contributions of the strong and robust relationship between these two countries. Historical linkage have contributed and creating the goodwill between the two countries and the nations. As the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, once he remarked, in India, every child knows that Russia is our country's greatest friend and had always stood with us during the toughest moment. On the day, I would like to wish and country's peace, prosperity, and successful socio-cultural economic achievements of Russian people, and years to come. Long live Indo-Russia friendship. Thank you so much.